Hello everyone, welcome to the JetGenX channel. Today we are going to learn how to sum or add the values of various cell in one Excel. Okay, in simple words, we can say how can we add values of different cell in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here is the data. If you can see in cell here, I have the different accounting data like the return on assets and return on equity, payable turnover data, and anyway, we are not concerned with these data. We will just learn that how can we add different values in Excel. Okay, so as I always says, whenever you want to start a function, an Excel function of any type, first of all you have to type equal. Okay, because without this equal your function or your formula is not going to work. So first of all you just type the equal and then you can type sum. Okay, if you can see the sum here. Okay, so double click it and now select the values. For example, you want to add the values of these four cells. Okay, so what you are going to do is take this cell and drag it to here or here up to where you want to add the values. Okay, leave it and just press enter. Okay, so this is the amount 7150.32 of the range we have selected for the addition purpose. Okay, so this is the one way you can add values in one cell. Okay, there is another way. For example, I'm not interested in adding these consecutive numbers. Okay, but I am interested in adding row wise values. For example, from here, this one, this one, and so on. So these values I want to add up again with the same formula. Type equal sum, double click it, and you just select all the cells you want to add up. Okay, and press enter. So this is the value you got by adding the values in one row. Okay, so this is another way. Next we are going to, for example, I am not interested in adding these values, I means the vertical in one column, or I am not interested in adding the values in one row, but I want to add this value with this one and this one and this one. Okay, so these are not the continuous number which you can just select by dragging it. So what you are going to do, you just press equal, then you select the number you want to add, this one, and you have to press plus. Okay, now select this value you are interested in adding, again plus, and this value again plus, and this value. Okay, you selected all the values and you have typed the plus sign in between these numbers. Now you just close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, so now you are going to find the values. Okay, here this is the values you have selected the cells so far. Okay, so I think it is very easy, and now you learn how to add different values in the Excel. Now if you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will be very thankful. Okay, thank you guys, see you in next video. Bye bye.